I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the Subaru BRZ on level ground, engage the parking brake and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental cranking. Gather tools: a 16mm deep spark plug socket, a 10mm socket for coil bolts, a 1/4-inch extension, and a torque wrench. Use new Iridium or OEM plugs and set the gap to 0. 8mm 0. 0.31 inches. Prepare anti-seize sparingly if plugs are not pre-coated, and keep a clean vacuum on hand to remove debris around each plug well. Start by removing the engine cover and intake duct that block access to the front of the engine. This exposes 4 coil packs on the Subaru BRZ FA series engine. Carefully unplug each coil pack connector, press the locking tab, then remove the single 10mm bolt and pull the coil straight up to avoid damaging the boot. Vacuum around each well to prevent debris from falling into the cylinder. Then use the 16mm magnetic socket on an extension to unscrew each old spark plug slowly and lift it free. Before installation, confirm each new plug is gapped to 0. 8mm 0. 0.31 inches. Start each plug by hand to prevent cross-threading. Once seated, use the torque wrench to tighten to 25 Nm, 18 lb-ft. Lightly coat the inside of each coil boot with dielectric grease, slide the coil onto the plug, reinstall and torque the 10mm coil bolts snugly. Reconnect all wiring. Reattach the intake duct and engine cover. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Then start the engine and listen for smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.